What is your favorite chocolate?
On a count of 1 to 10, how much do you like Lindt chocolate? Do you know that there are many varieties of Lindt chocolates? In this video, I'll take you to a Lindt chocolate outlet in Ottawa, Canada. Hello. Hi, I'm good. You got a wide selection. Lindt chocolate is my favorite, but I'm familiar with 3 types of Lindt chocolates. Today I was surprised at the variety of chocolates they have in here. I'm familiar with these ones.
A lot of these you can only find in Lindt stores.
I only know 3 types, yeah. Alright, this is amazing. My first intention was to come in and browse around, but look at the temptation here. Oh, that's the ones I like. These ones.
Price tag is $25.79.
Okay. One of the things I really like about this store is customer service. I did call upon the clerk about the price, and she came right away, and I was able to, decide what I really wanted. Have you ever wondered what's inside the Lindt chocolate itself? The creamy part? Stay tuned, I'll let you know.
Okay. So while you're looking around, can I offer you a sample for gummy?
Sure, I'll take a sample.
Yeah, we have a classic milk chocolate or a raspberry and cream.
I've never had the raspberry and cream. Can I have 2?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Raspberry and cream is only here for the summer. So
Okay.
you like it?
Well. If you have been to a Lindt chocolate outlet before, let me know. We used to call this the Lindt Chocolate Factory. A lot of people still refer to this outlet as the Chocolate Factory. It's right here in Ottawa, and they don't actually make the chocolate here. So the chocolates are on display. You can buy chocolates at this outlet. It's a little expensive, but it's well worth the price. Everyone knows the red Lindt chocolate box, but did you know that there were so many other flavors?
15 pieces for $12, but right now you can get 2 of the 15 counts for $20.
Okay.
Which is usually what we do. And then it goes up to like 75 to 42, 100 for 50, 100 for 50, and 150 for 65. Big numbers, but
I think I'll just try these. 15. Yeah. Lindt is well known for its fine taste and high quality. The chocolate itself contains a variety of unique and delicious blends of cocoa bean varieties from around the world. In addition, the company is one of the few manufacturers of bean-to-bar chocolate in the world. That is, processing the chocolate using whole cocoa beans. Lindt chocolate balls are a delicious treat. The exterior is a delicious milk chocolate shell that is creamy and smooth. Inside each ball is a soft, creamy filling that can vary depending on the flavor. Some of the most popular flavors include hazelnut, caramel, coffee, and mocha. The filling is of a smooth, velvety texture. No matter what the flavor you choose, the combination of the chocolate shell and the creamy filling makes for a delicious treat. The highly secret recipe for the filling is kept tightly under wrap. However, all that can be told is that it is a ganache that is poured into the delicate shells and left to set. If you've had Lindt chocolate before, let me know what you like about Lindt chocolate. For me, it's the creaminess about it, especially that creamy scented part. And this chocolate is not too sweet. You can have the darker one also, and that too is just so delicious. And it also has the creamy part in the center. I just love Lindt. Lindt is my favorite chocolate. I usually buy my Lindt chocolate from the regular grocery store or from the pharmacy. But buying it from the factory outlet is just so different. You get to see all the different varieties of Lindt that you never even knew existed. And also, it's a little pricey, like I said, but the experience is just so great, so amazing.
41?
Yeah, $15 plus 22 plus tax.
If you're a Lindt chocolate lover, what do you call your chocolate? Do you call it Lindt or Lindor? For years I called it Lindor, and I still do.